Our first conic sections activity has 3 layers. To start with, to make the first layer, we're going to need a piece of patty paper, a pencil, and a ruler. It's important that you make your straight lines with a ruler because the straightness of the lines will affect the accuracy of the final product. The first thing I'm going to do is draw a straight line across the bottom of the page here, across the bottom of the piece of wax paper. And it doesn't matter exactly how far from the bottom it is. I'm just going to choose a small distance away from the bottom edge of the paper. And then I'm going to use a straight edge to draw a line all the way across the bottom of the page, all the way across the bottom of the patty paper. Now I'm going to pick that piece of patty paper up and I'm going to fold it in the other direction so that the two ends of the line that I just drew meet up. It's much more important that the line matches, that the ends of the line match, than that the ends of the paper match. So even if your edges don't match up very nicely, as long as the ends of your line match up, that's all that really matters. Okay, if I open that out again, I can see I've got a nice clean crease right down the middle of that, the patty paper there. The next thing I'm going to do is draw a dot somewhere on this crease. It's important, though, that the dot be the right distance away from this line. That your dot should be no more than 1 1/4 inches away from the line. So if I turn my ruler this way, it'll make a little bit more sense. Here my dot would be 0 inches away from the line. Here my dot would be 1 inch away from the line. And I can put a dot at 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, 3/4 of an inch. Any of these would be fine as long as it's no more than 1 1/4 inches away from this line. I'm going to put my dot here. But between you and your group members, your dots should all be in different places as much as possible. The next thing to do here is to fold this paper over this way so that the line that I drew in the first step, the crease I made in the second step, and the dot that I drew in the third step all line up. You'll see the crease lining up with itself, but also make sure that the line and the dot line up with each other as well. And when you've done that, make another crease across the bottom of the paper. We can unfold that, and you can see that in addition to a line here, you now have a crease. And these two creases are at right angles to each other. Where those two creases meet, I'm going to draw a dot, and I'm going to label that dot V. This is one of our layers, and we're not quite finished with it yet, but we need something else before we can finish this particular piece. So we're going to set this piece aside and work on the next layer. Before we do, though, take another piece of patty paper, lay it over the top of this one. Make sure your edges line up as much as possible. Then, using a ruler, trace the first step's line segment and trace the second step's dot. You don't need to do anything else, just those two. If you like, you can make a third copy of this, the line segment and the dot. We will need 3 copies of this eventually. I think I'll make my third copy later on. So for now, I have one piece with 2 creases at right angles, 2 dots, and 1 line segment, and I'm going to set that aside. In the next video, I'll show you what to do with this second layer.